Hi, short video to show this life-size Furreal Biscuit Golden Retriever dog. Comes with its Biscuit. This is life-size. It is very big. It does come with 6 Type D batteries included. They're cheap Poundland ones, so they'll probably go flat, but it's just to show you it working as it is now. This is quite old. It's fully working, but it's mechanically, you can hear it clunking, like all the, oh my god, it's heavy, all the motors inside. It's not from, pardon? It's no fault or anything. It was actually made quite old, so it's like this. And it's voice interactive as well. Sit. Ew, you are sitting. Okay. There you go. Speak. Give me a paw. Yeah? No? Do you want a treat? Ah, now you give me... Oh. Here we go then. So it comes with its official collar, and it tells you on there. Oh, he's happy. He's wagging his tail. What's that one? Shake. You gonna shake? No. Lie down. Oh, now you're gonna shake. Any questions, please ask.